What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Today, you guys, we're going to do something different. We're going against the grain. We don't follow instructions, you guys. You know we're not professional. We are what we are. We do what we want to do. We grow what we want to grow when we want to grow it. Okay, okay? So I hope you are enjoying being here. If you're a new member, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. I love you so much. Thanks for being here. Click the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, share the video if you like. I love you so much. Thanks for being here. Guess what I'm doing today, y'all? I'm going to start planting some seeds directly, sowing some seeds directly into the ground. One of my favorite things to do is plant seeds directly into the ground. Yes, we are still in winter and we have not had our last frost, but I'm telling you, the way this weather is looking, y'all, time is winding up. If your soul ain't right, you better get it together. Because time is winding up. Y'all know that this weather all across the world, farmers are talking about it. It is insane. The bees are in. Where are the bees? Where are the bees, y'all? What is going on in this world? Then you have this virus going around. You better grow your own food if you can, as much as you can as possible, okay? Because a lot of stuff comes from all over the country, and you don't know who has what and where it's been and where it came from. So if you do it yourself, you know where it came from. Your backyard, okay? Okay! So let's just jump right into this, y'all. We're going to make a quick video on sowing some seeds outside. Yep. I'm going to go ahead and do it. I can't wait anyway. So here we go. Now, I have my little knee pad. There we go. This is a good thing to have, you guys. Came from the Dollar Tree. I got my little name tags. I got my marker on my side. It's not going to be very long because we're just going to try a row of things, you know. And if we do get a frost, we do. I have a cover to put over it. But if we do get a frost, it'll be amazing. And if we get a frost, it won't be that frosty, I don't think. Because just looking at my 10-day forecast, it's just... yeah, there's no chance for frost in my next 10 days. So let's just try some squash. Yeah, you guys, nothing to it but to do it. Nothing to it but to do it. Okay, so let me make my label first. This is some zucchini. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right there because I'm just gonna plant 4 right here just to see. Just to see, y'all. They're fairly big seeds. And we don't even have to do 4. Let's do 3. Okay? Well, 4 came out. And these get fairly large, y'all. So I'm just going to do 3 because they might just do very, very well, which is what we're hoping for. And I cleared my ground, as you guys know. This is one of my garden beds. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but we don't do pretty garden. We do productive garden. Okay, okay. So, let's loosen this soil up a little bit. And I'm going to take my finger and go down. 1. And I'll put 1 right here. 2. Put this right in the middle. 3. 4. And they're probably too close together, but like I said, we're just experimenting. I took out 3 seeds, y'all. I'm sorry. We're going to do 3. Cover that back up. Let's do 1, 2, 3. Put 1 right there. Okay. So just mix that good soil in there. Pop your seed right there, y'all. It's not rocket science. Pop your seed right there, y'all. It's not rocket science. Pop a seed right there. Keep it moving. Okay. Now we got some yellow squash. And just get you a stick or something to separate your line until you put something down more permanent. For now, I'm just going to use this stick to mark off where I planted that, okay? Just like that. Give me a cup of squash. Make my label. Put it right there. Let's try one of these broken half. Always look at your seeds when you're planting them, y'all. So we're gonna do 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Cover, cover, cover. Give you a border, something to separate where you plant it. We'll come back and line this out. That's why I did it like that. So I know where I started the next thing. Just move on down, y'all. Can you see me? Hope you can. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're keeping safe, staying sanitized, and all that good stuff, y'all. It's crazy out here with this coronavirus, and now's a good time to grow your own food if you want. I've been growing mine for a while. Well, my vegetables and things like that. I love it. So let's try some cucumbers. They're all in the same family. Give me my label. Let's try some munchers. These are from Burpee. Put that there. Get our muncher seeds. Gonna do 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're planting them in the shape of Mickey Mouse. The ears, 2 ears up top, and the 1 circle at the bottom. There we go. Get us something to mark off our territory. Right there. These are munchers. Now let's try some Market More. I have my blade right there. Market More. Let's put that right there to show where we're starting that one. Slide your knee pad on down, y'all. This knee pad really comes in handy, you guys. I love it. I'm normally just directly straight on the ground with my knees messing up all my clothes. Make your Mickey Mouse ears and a circle down here. Take 3 more, Market More seeds. And like I said, you guys, this is an experiment. So I know you might not do this. It's March, what, the 10th or 11th? I think it's the 11th. Yep, and I'm out here planting in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia, directly into my garden. Yep, I'm doing it, y'all. Yep, I'm doing it, y'all. Sure is. And now we're gonna try, we're just gonna do like our melons and squash, y'all. I ain't messing with the other stuff yet. So let's just give me 1 more border. 1 more border right there. And then let's try some of these white spine. Make 2 circles. We might get 3 in here. Let's do 3. Straight across at the end, the white spine. I'll make the label in just a second. We're gonna do 3 white spine. 1, 2, 3. Cover them up. Cover them up. And leave them alone. Cover them up. Leave them alone. Put your label. White spine. Right there. And put your label right there. And since we're out here, let's go ahead and keep experimenting, y'all. There's nothing wrong with experimenting. Take chances. You know, let's try these beans. Let's try these beans, you guys. I'm gonna move the camera this way a little bit, so I'm coming on this side. And you see why I left this walkway now? I can get around and I can get into my garden. Yep. I can come around here just like this. And I can reach everything I need. Okay? Okay. So let's just try a couple of these beans. It won't hurt, right? These are Top Crop Garden Beans and Blue Lake 274. So let's just try some beans right here. This is going to be our guinea pig garden right here, y'all. We're just trying some stuff out. That's all. Nothing etched in stone. Nothing you're supposed to do on a regular basis. Do what you want to do. It is your garden. So we're going to try some of these. And like I said, we're a little early in the season, so whatever we mess up, doesn't work, who cares? So let me just make some holes. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put this down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. And that half of one we're not going to use. Put that over. Cover, cover, cover. Cover, cover, cover. Label. Did we bring our marker? Did we bring our marker, y'all? Oh, there we go. Top crop green bean. Just gonna stick that right there, y'all. And just give you an idea of what, lay you something down until you come back and make your border. And then we're gonna try the, this is the top crop. And the other brand was, no, this is the Blue Lake. Yeah, we tried the Blue Lake, y'all. So let me take this out. That was Blue Lake. The top crops I haven't planted yet. Take out little Dollar Tree labels. So this is the top crop, so we need to label this one Blue Lake. And GB for green beans. Put it right there. And put your package on there. Let's leave everything uniform so I can get a photo for you guys. Just like that. Then we're going to do the top crops down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 4 of those. Like I said, we're experimenting. Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. Beautiful weather today. And then I'm going to make a diagram of what I planted as well, you guys. These are some brown seeds. We're going to plant 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cover them up. Just like that, y'all. Gardening is not that difficult. Especially when you love what you're doing. And you care about what you put in your body and what you eat. Okay? Okay? I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks for being here. Let me show you what it looks like. Our first direct sowing outside. Can you see that, you guys? Our first direct sowing outside. Now I can go back and look at this video and tell everything I put here. So facing from here, on the right hand side, we got our green bean top crop. We have our white spine cucumber, our market more cucumber, Blue Lake green beans, the muncher, squash, and zucchini. So we're just testing it out, y'all. Going to test it out. Now what I'm about to do is pull these labels up. I know it looks nice and pretty. I hate to mess it up myself. But we're going to take these labels out, water it down, and see what happens. I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks for watching. Remember, live, love, laugh. You guys grow stuff and eat it. Now is the time. Be safe out there, you guys. Wash your hands. I love you. You're the best.